This video is sponsored by Rocket Money. Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today we are making another soap in our Essentials collection. And you know, I had to do lavender. I used to be a real lavender hater. I really did. Like, I don't know if it was just because I was in my youth and all I wanted to smell was fruit, but as time has gone on, the more herbal fragrances have really started appealing to me. And lavender, we can probably wager, is the most universally sold fragrance in the world. And it only makes sense that I need to have a signature lavender fragrance. This is my first attempt. I still think I need to tweak it a little bit more in the future, but it's a really good starting point. It's very complex. Some of the most notable scent notes in this lavender profile is Fuji apple, French lavender, and bergamot, or bergamot, however you want to say it. So it isn't like a straight lavender smell. If you want to get one of those, might I suggest simplicity. It is fragranced only with lavender essential oils, including Bulgarian lavender, which has a very herbaceous smell to it. This is a very straightforward design that turned out super good, so let's make some soap. Let's talk about what's going into this soap right off the bat, and that is some purple color. Now, purple is a hard color to get in cold processed soap. You have to use a lot of it. We're also going to add a little bit of kaolin clay. And to my lye water solution, I'm adding sodium lactate. I am going to blend this for quite some time until I don't see any specks of loose powder or color. Now I'm going to add in my lye water solution. We'll blend this up, and then we will split off our two accent colors for our lighter and darker purple shades. Everything has been blended well. You can see what I mean now about the purple color. And we're gonna pour it off. Gonna weigh these out, make sure we get exactly the right amount. All right, let's talk about our next two colors. We're gonna turn this guy into a lighter purple and this guy into a darker purple. Scrape all that out, blend them up really quick. And now we're going to add our fragrance. All right, now moving up rather quickly, I'm gonna pour about half my purple in to one side and then half my dark purple in to the other side. I am going to leave about half of it in the container. Listen, I legitimately didn't know certain subscriptions that I was being charged for. I literally had recurring payments monthly going to apps I didn't even have on my phone anymore. And today's sponsor, Rocket Money, saved the day. Rocket Money is an all-in-one personal finance app that helps you cancel subscriptions, lower bills, and manage your money better. I actually started using Rocket Money all the way back in January, so when they reached out for this collaboration, I was like, of course. Once you connect your bank account to Rocket Money, they will help you identify all of your subscriptions in one easy-to-read list. You can then select the subscriptions you do not want anymore, and Rocket Money will help you cancel them in just a few quick taps. Literally over $500 million in canceled subscriptions. Another feature Caleb and I really love using is the automatic savings. Rocket Money automatically analyzes your accounts to determine the best time for you to save so that you reach your goals faster. So you choose a savings goal, pick a preferred savings frequency, and watch your savings start to grow. So take control of your finances today by going to rocketmoney.com/royaltysoaps and getting started for free. Once again, that is rocketmoney.com/royaltysoaps. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you so much to Rocket Money for sponsoring today's video. Gonna pour about half of it in from the side. There we go. Some of those accent colors coming in. Really swirly. Then I'm gonna pour in my darker color here. Still have a lot left in there. Pour in some of my lighter color. All over, no rhyme or reason. Pour some more in. Pouring very close. Pour some more dark and light in. I'm not going to scrape the bowl. Have about this much in there. Not scraping this bowl either. And then pouring our last bit. A beautiful pour. The exact colors that I was aiming for. Scrapey scrapey out my big containy. Gonna tap it down. Nice and even. And now we can put on all the rest of our accent colors on the top for swirling. And the goal for this soap had always been to do some big swirls on top. I have a feeling some people are going to ask me why I'm not adding lavender buds. And that is simply because it does reduce the shelf life of a soap. Botanicals can turn brown. They are more temperamental in different conditions. If you're looking for a lavender essential oil soap, one with botanicals, etc., you can look at our Simplicity Lavender. That is scented only with essential oils, colored with Brazilian purple clay. Just gonna flick this around a little, kind of make it look real gloopy and nice. Give a little texture in there with that swirl. This is for the customer who wants a complex lavender. It has notes of cedarwood, Fuji apple, and French lavender. Smells very clean, very crisp. Kind of whipping these up a little bit. Gorgeous. Hard to know when enough is enough, but I think I'm at that point. Let's spritz the top with rubbing alcohol. Lavenders do have a tendency to ash. And that is it. Oh man, I cannot wait to chop into that one tomorrow. We will wait 18 to 24 hours, then we will split this slab into loaves and cut those loaves into bars after this quick commercial break. I regret absolutely nothing when it comes to the swirl on top of this soap. What a vibe. And originally when designing this soap, I did waffle between making it all lighter shades of purple or including this really dark purple. But I feel like the lighter shades of purple have been done to death. Like pastel lavender is already done. I wanted something more vibey. Pull out one for the middle. This is what our Lavender Days soap looks like on the inside. Super swirly, super vibey. A complex lavender smell, not your grandma's lavender.
I have a question of the day.
Okay, what is it? First of all, before you say anything, this specific bar all the way around looks like a cut piece of marble or something. Don't you agree? Like, look at this. That's crazy.
Yeah, super swirl.
They're gonna think you're not genuine.
There's never been a swirlier soap that's ever been made anywhere.
Get out of here.
Would you rather have lavender scented hair that attracts bees or lavender
Caleb, I'm so sorry to interrupt you.
Wow.
It's got ears. It has ears, a nose, a mouth, 2 eyes. I'm a little creeped by this.
It's the lavender monster.
It even has a neck. And why does it look a little angry? This is the creepiest soap I've ever made.
Now I have to start all over.
Oh my gosh, there's another one. Like, why is this soap like making faces everywhere? You see his little nose and smile.
It's a little Cheshire cat.
Little ears, little eyeballs. I'm freaked. Let's cut into another loaf and see if we did it again.
All right, no question of the day.
No, it's okay. You can try again. We'll see if we get another face out of it. Quick, do it now before I cut it.
Would you rather have lavender scented hair that attracts bees or lavender colored skin that glows at night?
I like lavender scented hair. I like bees.
You like bees?
Yeah.
Think that'd be good to have them crawling on your hair.
Okay, well, don't scare everyone.
Oh. Okay, so you're gonna go with the hair.
Yeah, of course.
You don't want to stay up all night and keep me up all night? With a lavender-colored glowing skin.
No, thank you.
Okay, that was an easy one. I won't even argue with that.
Wow, first time in his life. But who cares what we think? What do you guys think? Bees or lavender skin? Maybe that's what we should name this soap instead. Forget lavender days, just lavender skin.
Lavender skin.
I could not be more pleased with this because I wanted to go in a very different direction than my Simplicity bar. The Simplicity bar is mainly cream with just a little bit of like a light purple. I wanted this to be more potent. I wanted it to look more powerful. I wanted to have some dark in there. I wanted 3 different shades. Like it all just came together exactly how I wanted it. And I think that the color profile is indicative of the fragrance notes. The Essentials collection launches January 3rd at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And again, these soaps will be boxed, and I also have another frosted soap for those of y'all who are still on that frosted soap kick. We are re-releasing tea and novels. This is one of our best sellers for frosted soap. All the book talk girlies, all the cottagecore girlies, they always clamor after this one, so I decided to bring it back for the first month of the new year. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video and ignoring the fact that I have pimple patches on right now. Nobody told me that my second full-time job was going to be trying to manage my acne on my 30-year-old face. I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful day, having a marvelous Christmas season, and I will see you all in the next video. So until then, bye for now. Meow.